Hello folks, and it's day 13 of the candle opening. Today we got blonde Alfie again helping us out. So this is not sponsored by Galaxy or the postcode lorry. So let's see what we got in number 13. Here we go, 13. Straight. Come on. Straight. We have got Santa Claus. Thank you very much. Anyway, day 13 of Poco Lorry. Let's see what we got. We have got on 13 is, where are we? Carers Trust. Supported 438,024 carers across Britain. Good. So basically there's like 438,024 carers helping people across Britain so they got a peace of mind. Right, anyway. Stay. You're just watching Blonde Alfie and Mike's chat on the 4K eyebrow. Thank you very much.